Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing a recoil on a Coleman powermate 1850. The model is pm0401855. I'm back. Alright, so there's two jobs that we're going to do today. I'm doing the recoil first job. Next job will be another video. I'm going to do the carburetor. It does run, but it surges in and out, and then the recoil's loose as heck, and it needs to be. I'm going to put a new rope and everything in it. This is actually my generator, but I'll put it up for sale or whatever when I'm done. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is take off this bolt right here. It's like a 13 millimeter. We'll just lift this handle up, kind of rotate it to the side. Alright, and then we got two more bolts down in here. Let's see if I can get a flashlight on or something. What do we got? Oh Lord, those things look healthy, huh? What the heck? Those things look awful. That is a horrible, horrible thing right there. Alright, hold on, let me see what this is. Alright, so it looks like it's Allen's. Maybe a 3 or a 4 millimeter. And so mine are so rusted out that they're all stripped out. So I'm going to have to drill the heads off. So you just find the center of the bolt with a drill bit where the Allen goes. And then you drill it out. Once you find the center. There it is. So I'll drill it out. The head will come off of this. I'll show you once I'm done drilling these two out. You'll see what it looks like. As you see, I'm just slowly drilling it out. The whole head will pop off once it drills out. Just like that. Head popped off. Got two up here, above the pull handle. These are Allen's. I'm having a hard time drilling this one out. It just doesn't want to do it. So I'm just going to lift it all up, rotate this to the side. And then I got the whole bracket right here and here. I could just pop these two 10 millimeters out. Also, we got to do the Phillips heads on this side. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Get all of them out too. Got the side cover off of here. And then two 10 millimeters again. Get those out. Spacers, don't lose these guys. Just a quick blow off. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and cut the rope so we can get this out of the way. This is kind of a pain in the ass. I was hoping I could get to the top here, but I'm going to have to take this whole other side off now too. 10 millimeter, just pop these two off. There's actually 3/8, but 10 millimeter will work. Flathead screw, get this out of the way. Millimeter, get the other side of this handle off. Alright, so we're gonna just pry it off here. It's basically gonna be like a lip right here in the gas tank. So I'm just gonna kind of pry this back and get that gas tank out. It's gonna make it easier than taking all this other side apart. Pried it down, popped it out. It's just what it is. Pain in the ass is what it is. Undo the spark plug. We got 3 more 13 millimeters. We're going to pop them out. I'm just going to take this little white insulator off. Lift up enough for us to finally get to this pain in the ass, dude. Just to get to this one bolt right here. That's what we need is 3/8. Take it out. You'll find a 3/8 wrench will fit better. It's actually 3/8 bolts. And then it should come out. There we go. Now we get into the good stuff. Jeez, finally. Everything looks okay in here. Blow out some of the dirt and whatnot. Remove all the old rope out of it and get it out of there. There's a little tab right down here. Let me turn this flashlight on. We're going to bend that up straight to get it out of the way. Give us room to work. Just like that. Take the new rope and you heat it up with a lighter and then just pull on it and it'll bring it to a hard point like that. And then we're going to feed the rope through this hole here. And then we're going to line up this hole here with that hole. And we're going to shove it through the whole thing. Just like that. We're going to get the rope through. Then we're going to pull this out through and we're going to tie a simple knot in it. So then we're going to reach down in here, grab this rope. I'll put this rope in the description below, the handle. I think I'm using number 4. Go counterclockwise with this end of the rope. We'll go 3 times first. 1, 2, 3. Got 3 wraps on it. We'll pull all the line out. And then it'll bring it right back in. And then we're going to do 2 more wraps. So let me get more rope out on my roll here. Okay, we'll reach in, grab it and pull it out again. And then we're going to go 1, 2 more wraps. That should be enough right there. Alright, so now we gotten this all up to snuff. We're going to cut this right where it's got a little bit of slack in it. And we're going to cut it up here. We're going to heat up the end again with a lighter. Just get it warm, pull it tight. Don't get it boiling hot or you'll burn your fingers. Alright, so now that's pretty well good right there. Where's the cover now? Let's see, cover. Oh, cover. We're going to shove this up through the cover.
Oh, on the ground.
We'll shove the line up through the cover. And then we're going to put the handle on the line. You can hit pause now. Put the handle, line through the handle. It's trying to be a pain in the ass. It's not wanting to go through. I'm just going to shove it through. Tie a simple knot. Alright, pause now. We're going to shove the recoil back in place. You got the little flap there. Get it on. Get it all the way in. There, look, this had been curled over. They didn't have this on right before. Alright, so we're going to put the 3/8 bolt up top here that we took out. Before you tighten that one down, you're going to put this one here and this one over here on this side in. 2 more. Got all that in place now. We're going to set this back down and put the 3 nuts back on top of it. Insulator, spark plug boots. Then we're going to spin this carburetor around. We're going to get this tongue into that rubber boot right there. This rubber boot into that one right there. We'll be pushing the gas tank this way and pulling this way at the same time and get this into that rubber boot. You know, I got to bend this thing back straight, so we're just going to use a hammer. Work it away a little time and it'll straighten out. It's just a pansy hammer, a little tiny hammer. There, it's nice and in there, good now. Alright, what next here? Oh, let's get this guy screwed back into place right here. It holds the fuel line in place. I hope I got that rope on the right side of that fuel line. I don't. Line on the wrong side. Let's disconnect it from the valve. Turn the valve off. We want this on the inside of the rope, or you'll cut right into it with the rope, and then just stab it back on there and put it back in. We're going to go ahead and put these two spacers in place, and then set this up on top of them, and these two long 3/8 bolts in them. Before we do that, before I lose these spacers, put these back down here. Alright, we got this bolt we can grab with vice grips or any kind of pliers right now, and we're going to unscrew that. Now we'll put these two spacers down. Oh, bound to lose one eventually anyways. Two spacers down, and then you got these two longer 3/8. We're going to set this up on top of there and tighten it down. Then we're going to go ahead and turn this thing sideways. We're going to get us, we're going to use one of the bolts up here, get it in there, and then the other one down here, and then I can get another one from the auto parts store, or Ace Hardware or something. I'll get another one, but I want to be able to get this bottom one in and one of the top ones in right now. Put the handle on with the two 13mm or 1/2-inch bolts, or nuts I mean. We're going to put this side cover on with the 4 Phillips head bolts. Put them in. Alright, and then that's it, guys. We got a good recoil on this thing now. It's fucking, Alright, so it just needs the carburetor done on it now. You can hear it surging, but the recoil is good on it. That'll be the next video, is we'll do the carburetor on this. This helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll put the rope that I use in the description below. It's an 1/8 diameter, number 4. More than sufficient. Number 5 will probably fit, but it'll be a really tight fit. If you want to do any advertising through my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. Peace.